as bigger as possible. How you go left click and you drag it, and then you can use zoom. Yeah, and the idea, for example, if we want to measure this circle, the cell inside of this circle, or the cell in circle in orange, you can see that it's this bristle, and now it's this one, and now it's this one, and now it's this one. So it's moving very slightly and it's very easy to follow. But now we need to know to turn that movement into a data. And how to do that, ImageJ allows us to go to this in the menu. If you go here and you go right click, point tool it will allow you to measure only one point. If you go multi-point tool, it will allow you to make multiple measurements. And so you left click here, and if you want to make it even bigger, you can go and zoom. So you go left click, and you can get a bigger, you can make a zoom in. And if you want to zoom out, you can go to right click, and there's a balance between, if you make it too big, maybe you lose the bristle. So you can make it like this. Go to multi-point again, left click here, then you click in the middle of the bristle, and now there is a dot there. Then you go to the next point. How you go, you don't move your cursor to the right or to the left, because you will move the dot. Look, if you press the cursor up or down, I will move it. So you can put it back here, but here you can move left click, and you can have the second one. Here you go left click to the next part, and you try to look where it is the next one, and again left click, and if you see here there is a 3 before there is a 2, and here is supposed to be a 1. Yeah, and in that way you can continue measure all the movie. I recommend that you start doing a package, that you start measuring every 10 slides. Yeah, when you have 10 slides. Why only 10 slides? Because in case that your computer crash, or in case that you made a mistake, if you have 10, you don't waste 10 minutes or 15 minutes doing measurements that you have to repeat. If you do 10, you can make sure where you start, when you finish, and save it. So when you're ready to measure, suppose that we have 10 measurements, we go to Analyze, left click, and here you can go and press Ctrl M, or measure. Yeah. So for example, if I do left click here, I will measure, or I just have to go, and for example, I do Ctrl M. Okay, so I click here, and as you can see here, I have 3 dots, 3 time points, so 1, 2, and 3, and we're interested in these 3 points that are where is that bristle located in the x-axis and in the y-axis. Yeah, and we are going to highlight all this data, Control C, and copy in an Excel table. Yeah, we can just go here and copy here. And this is how we follow cells in ImageJ.